Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have come up with the new SQL challenge, that is a cumulative sum. So this is the table and this is final output table, and we are interested to know that this is a one paid amount, this is a food truck ID, this is date. So what we want the cumulative sum of this paid amount for all these 10 records. So there are two unique truck IDs, 1 and 2, and different amounts are allocated to 1 and 2, and we want to show that over a period of time what is the total cumulative sum of this food truck 1 and what is the cumulative sum of food truck 2, right? So this is our final output, and in order to get this output, first of all we need to create one table. I will give you this detail in the description box. In case if you want to try out, you can just copy paste this sample data and try it out. So let us check the table schema. So in this case there are four tables. There is a four columns, and first one is a food truck ID followed by paid amount, date of purchase, and date created date. So what I will do, I will take three parameters, three columns: food truck ID, paid amount, and date of purchase or date created. For simplicity, what I will do, I will fetch the date from this date created timestamp, because it is also important. Sometimes if you are given timestamp, then you should know how to extract a date from timestamp. Okay, so I will try with the first method, that is CTE method. So let me try select from food table. So this is my table, and I will list out what items I am looking for. I'm looking for first ID, that is called primary key food, not primary key but first column food truck ID. Then second is the date of purchase. So I will take a date of purchase from date created date. So I will convert cast date created as a date, and let me give the name as simple as that, date. Then next is a paid amount. Okay, and I will give the unique row number for each and every 10 records. So I will use a row number over here. I will not give any partition. Okay, I will give a partition by food truck ID. Yes, partition by food truck ID ordered by food truck ID. Okay, this is the row number. I have given simply a row number to all records. So let me see how it looks like. So it looks like I have four tables, and I will now use a CTE method with CTE as So what I will do now, I will take this 1, 2, and 3 parameter as a reference. So select from CTE. First column is food truck ID followed by date, paid amount, and I will now use the aggregative functions, that is sum of paid amount. I will convert it into the float, cast paid amount as a float over partition by in this case partition I will take as a food truck ID. Okay, food truck ID ordered by paid amount. And I will give name as a cumulative sum, that is cumulative sum, and I will run this common table expression CTE. So here you can see sorry, you can see I got the desired table. This is a food truck ID, date, paid amount, and this is a cumulative sum. You can see 10.2, 24.2. So all together it is 34.4. Likewise, I get the amount. So this is the first method. Now I will also show you the second method without CTE. Okay, let me just try for second method. So in this case, I will write simple query, that is using aggregation function only. Now, what detail I would require, I will first list it down in the top. I will need a food truck ID. Then, okay, I will take a cast date created as a date. I use alias name date. Then paid amount. Then sum of paid amount over partition by food truck ID ordered by paid. I will give the ordered by date of purchase, because it is also one non-aggregator parameter, so I have taken it as a ordered by, and I will give name as a function. Okay, and here I have to give the group by non-aggregator clause. These clauses are columns are food cart truck ID, then it is a date, converted date, then paid amount. Now I will try to run this command. So here it is showing me food truck transaction date of purchase is invalid. Okay, it is showing me why it is showing me invalid. Okay, cost paid amount. Food truck transaction dot date of purchase. Okay, yeah, here I think I did a mistake. Instead of giving this order by date, I have given it a date of purchase. Okay, I should not give this date of purchase. Instead, I should give it as a cost of date. Now I hope it will work it out. So let me run this query. Great. Yeah, so we have received the same output like food truck ID, date, paid amount, and cumulative sum. So make sure that while doing the aggregation, we should only use the correct non-aggregator field. Say for example, I have converted this date created as a T date, and in cumulative ordered by, I was giving the another table which is not a part of this non-aggregation, so it was showing me the error. I hope you like this video, and in case if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you very much for watching this video.